What up, YouTube? I'm back, Crispy Blue Z34 here. So today's video, we're actually going to be taking off the bumper, and we're actually going to be fixing the hood latch, which are known to go bad on 370Zs. As you see my little gap, if I pull up the bumper, see, but you can hear it. Hear that? So we're gonna fix that right now. Also, off camera, I installed the diffuser. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Looks pretty good. And then my dad fixed my license plate. As you guys know, I had that shit bent to mess with the cops. I like the bent look. It's a Japanese thing. Bent your license plate. It's pretty cool. But instead, he got me a carbon fiber 370Z license plate cover. Check it out. Check it out. 370Z license plate cover. That's dope. So overall, the build is coming along perfect. All missing really is the rims and my camber kit. But overall, the Z looks so clean right now. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to change the hood latch. So let's get to it. All right, everyone. Once you have your hood open, all you really need is a 10mm ratchet. You have a bolt here and a bolt here, and then the thing just falls. As you see, my thing is right here. So I have to disconnect it somehow. Don't know how, but I'm gonna disconnect it right now and take you along the journey. All right, everyone, so it's actually pretty easy. So here's the wire. My thing is zip tied. I don't think yours is gonna be zip tied, but just bring it over here where my intakes are. And then you have this little bowl. Focus. You have this little bowl right here that goes in there, and just pop it out. And then you see this wire right here. Just cut this wire. Don't cut this wire, cut this wire. And you should be able to take it out. All right, everyone, and it actually is in. It was pretty simple. I'm gonna show you how to do it with this one. So once you have the new one, all you have to do is make sure that this has a sensor, and you connect it to that sensor right there. Mine didn't. It was broken. No wonders it wasn't closing, because it wasn't sending a signal to this one. Also, make sure this is the wire is in here. If not, it's not gonna work. Pretty straightforward, to be honest. And there is a thing here that holds it down. I actually don't have that, but right now it's pretty tight. So that is how you guys do it. Hood closes, hood opens. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.